Farmer in China selling 46 US cent noodles becomes an internet celebrity. He was initially overwhelmed and took to hiding in a neighbor's house to escape the horde of internet bloggers.
Overwhelmed.
Wow. Look how hot that dude is. Whoa. His village has, however, experienced an economic boom, and now the farmer appreciates the fame. What did he do that was so great? Farmer in China became an unwitting celebrity just for serving up cheap ramen noodles. Chang Yunfu, nicknamed Ramen Brother by online fans, which, what a name. I'll take it. It's kind of funny I found this one. Yo,
Very friendly.
I just realized something. This probably came in my feed because I've been eating so much ramen.
We've been talking about it.
And we've been saying the word too many times.
Yeah.
That's how this got in my feed, because this was on my Google News.
Oh, really?
Yeah, to be clear. That ain't tech news. But you know I'm a South China Morning guy. I always have fun over there on that website. So give you something different. Anyway, he was stunned when a video released on social media late last month of him selling his 46 US cent noodle bowls went viral and unexpectedly catapulted him to fame. Look at the fresh noodle he's doing. He's doing a fresh noodle, man.
So happy.
Yes. Originally, he was dismayed. It disrupted his life and the quiet village. So he was hiding. Anyway, now the entire province is booming.
Because of him?
That's right. Everybody wants those noodles.
Oh.
He says, when everybody is rich and has made fortunes, I will then raise the price. Not until then. Until then, 46 cents.
Wow.
The influx in visitors has caused congestion on the village's narrow roads. Some video bloggers have invaded his privacy, climbing over walls to catch him on live streaming. I don't want to be famous. The current situation has brought me a lot of trouble. That was on Feb 27. I am an ordinary farmer. I make and sell ramen noodles. That's all. You got to love the simplicity of it, don't you?
Uh-huh. That's all he does.
I try to imagine an alternate life in which I do some kind of simple task like this, just the best I can, and that's it, every day.
What would that be for you think?
Man, that's hard because, you know, you can find the content on YouTube where it would be just like making a knife or a sword or something.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, like that would be amazing, obviously. But even this guy, he gets to see people enjoy it.
Uh-huh.
I kind of like that about the food thing.
Yeah.
It is he gets to bring joy to people, which is obvious and consistent.
Yeah.
So
food is in the realm?
I don't know. That would be cool. It's a terrible thing to get involved in right now. But you know what it would be is pizza. I would launch a pizzeria with the wood burning and everything, and I would bring back some of my childhood that way.
Yeah.
Because I had the pizza spot. And I don't even want to bring it up because it's really upsetting to me.
Uh-huh.
And so I would have a real pizzeria, and I would leave this country for 2 years. I would go to Italy for 2 years.
To learn the ways?
And that's it. I would work at the spot first.
Mm-hmm.
I would live a simple life.
Yeah.
And then I would bring all that knowledge back.
Huh.
And there would be no pizza like it around here. But of course, I have a rich life myself. I would trade it for nothing, Will, not even pizza. So if I do this pizza spot, I'm going to need to engage with those that know the arts of the ways, and I'll have to do so locally.
And then bring it to Canada?
That's right. And then we will hybrid it. I will finance, and we will fix the pizza game once and for all.
Oh, I thought you were going to do soups.
Oh, yeah,
soup
soups.
idea.
You don't even want to hear my soup ideas.
Yeah.
You don't even want to hear
Let's move on.
I got lots of
It'll be
soup
an hour.
ideas. No, it'll be another time.